Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating index, HTML styles, CSS and script, JS, and placing a meta viewport tag so the layout scales on devices. Start mobile first. Write base CSS for the smallest view, then layer up with media queries. Use semantic elements and flexible containers to let content flow. Responsive images with src set or picture replace fixed images. Once done, link your files and open DevTools to emulate phones so you can iterate quickly and see immediate changes in layout and typography. You now structure the page. Define a grid for header, main, and footer to control large-scale layout, and use Flexbox for buttons, nav, and card alignment so items wrap naturally. Prefer rem, %, VW, and max width instead of px so elements scale with user settings. Add media queries based on where the content breaks, not arbitrary device sizes. This ensures a robust layout. Once applied, test resizing. Rotate devices in DevTools and refine gap, alignment, and order to keep readable flow. You finish by adding interactive behavior progressively. Make sure core content works without JavaScript, then enhance with JS for menus, lazy loading, and responsive toggles. Optimize performance by minifying assets, compressing images, and deferring non-critical scripts so the page loads fast on slow networks. Finally, validate accessibility, keyboard navigation, area where needed and sufficient contrast, and test real devices. If layout breaks, check container widths, reset box sizing, and inspect overflow elements. Usually a single fixed width.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.